Hello and welcome. Introducing an easy and effective online marketing strategy that you can use to promote any offers on the internet. Easy money by sharing free content. Every piece of content you share has the potential to generate thousands of dollars. Just imagine the power of generating online income just by sharing high quality content freely available on the internet. Yes, share free articles in social sites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and make huge affiliate commission and leads. You don't have to create your own content. No need to download, edit, or upload articles. No copyright violation or any complicated stuff at all. Simply share any informative, interesting, and shareable article and start collecting commissions and leads. You can do this with a few clicks. In this strategy, we use the following freely available tools. Free content from easyarticles.com, free software named EasyProfiter, free blogging platform Blogger. Let's see how this method works. Visit easyarticles.com. This is an online content publishing platform with hundreds of thousands of articles. As you can see, they have published contents from nearly 500,000 expert authors. They listed articles under different niches and sub-niches. You are allowed to republish any of these articles as per the terms listed here. Let's click on Health and Fitness category. See lots of subcategories listed there. Click on Anti-Aging and see lots of articles listed using this niche. You can also find articles by typing a niche keyword. Let's type keto diet and see what comes up. Once an article is selected, click here to open it. Now we are going to republish this article using free EasyProfiter software. As shown here, this is a free tool installer on the browser bookmark bar. Just click on this app button to launch it. Select a category. This is the interface of EasyProfiter software. We will discuss more about these options in the next video. Just click Create. Click on Post to Blogger button. The software will create an article page and post it into free Blogger. Just click on Publish Post button. New article page is ready. Click on View Blog button and see how the republished articles appear. This is the page we created using the software. Let's compare this page with the original article. As you can see, the republished page contains our affiliate links and offers. This is an affiliate offer from ClickBank Marketplace. This is a CPA affiliate offer from markethealth.com. This is a link to our opt-in subscription form. Here's another affiliate banner. This way, each and every article republished has the potential to generate multiple streams of income. Next, we can share this page using the share option provided on the software. This option will share the article page on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and others. Republishing an article takes only a few minutes. Once you're ready to republish another article, just open it. Then click on the app button. Then click the Create option. To share the article page in social site, use the Share option. Once you share the page, your affiliate links and offers will be spread all over the internet. This strategy can be used to promote any digital products, membership offers, newsletters, physical products from Amazon, eBay, etc., and works fine for almost any CPA affiliate offers. You can use this method to generate traffic to your own products or opt-in subscription pages. In the next video, we will discuss about some basic preparations before start using this strategy. Let's watch the next video.